Hold the f. What's that? Watch. This tree's nice. This tree's nice. Look at him. Fuck you. Fuck you, you piece of shit. We got AND2BLE Curious. Without further ado, let's get into this. Let's go. Let's begin. Curious. Oh, damn. He's slapping across the face like that. Ooh. Hold up. This shit go hard. Hold up, hold up. Oh, seriously. Hold the fuck up. This is crazy. Excuse my language. Damn. Ooh. Okay, Ricky. Damn. The whole beat itself is like in your face. Literally in your face, in your ears. Second, third gen vibes. It's like second gen, yeah. In a way. Where is this like location? Okay, build up. Are they grabbing their belt? What's happening? Ooh. Oh. That's some second gen shit right here. This is some second gen shit right here. The whole like editing too, like the glowing. And the vocals in the background too. God damn. That was dope. Curious. I am curious. AND2BLE. Wait, they came through strong from the beginning. It does feel like second, third gen vibe. I like that. I like that a lot. Y'all put the comments down below what you guys think of AND2BLE. This is their debut. Sorry for the pause. That was rude of me. But damn. That was fire. That was fire.
Hey, you better subscribe.
Yo, be sure to join Patreon. You can become a free member or subscribe for adults to access more content. Check out my reaction to K-pop Demon Hunters. We reacted to Squid Game Season 3. We're checking out a bunch of animes. We also upload first listens here, some exclusive reactions to K-pop comebacks. You already know I reacted to EXO Kitty, and I know Season 3 is coming up soon. So be sure to click the link to my Patreon and become a member now. If you want more content, catch me on Twitch on JREKML. I'm there every day.